Finding the right dementia care for a loved one in Washington, D.C. can feel overwhelming, especially when families are navigating a maze of options and trying to balance quality, trust, and affordability. The stakes are high, as every family wants to ensure their loved one receives compassionate, reliable support tailored to their unique needs. With so many providers and care models available, it's easy to feel uncertain about where to start or who to trust. That's why having clear, honest guidance is essential, so families can make informed choices that bring peace of mind and truly support their loved ones through every stage of dementia care. When hiring a caregiver for someone with dementia, it's important to consider several key factors to ensure your loved one receives the best possible support. Cost is often a primary concern for families, so understanding the range of rates and any hidden fees can help you plan for long-term care. Reliability is equally crucial, as consistent and dependable care provides stability and reassurance for both the individual and their family. Finally, every person with dementia has unique needs, so it's essential to find a caregiver who is not only trained in dementia care, but also able to adapt to changing behaviors and communication styles. Taking these factors into account will help you make a thoughtful and informed decision tailored to your loved one's well-being. CareYaya stands out as an innovative solution for families seeking dementia care, offering a unique approach that connects seniors with dedicated healthcare students from top universities. This model not only ensures compassionate and attentive in-home support, but also keeps care affordable, with rates starting around $15 per hour and no hidden fees. CareYaya's flexibility is a major advantage, providing reliable overnight and weekend coverage that traditional agencies often struggle to match. Each caregiver is thoroughly vetted and trained in dementia care, giving families peace of mind and trusted support. For these reasons, CareYaya is often our first recommendation when families need high-quality, adaptable care for their loved ones. CareYaya's intergenerational model is truly unique in the world of home care. By connecting seniors with pre-health students from leading universities like Georgetown, George Washington, and Howard, CareYaya creates meaningful relationships that benefit both sides. Seniors receive attentive, compassionate companionship from caregivers who bring energy and a strong foundation in medical knowledge. At the same time, these students gain valuable hands-on experience that prepares them for future careers in healthcare. This approach not only addresses practical care needs, but also fosters genuine connection and purpose for everyone involved. CareYaya places a strong emphasis on preparing its caregivers to support individuals living with dementia. Each caregiver receives specialized training in dementia care, with a focus on understanding and managing common behavioral changes, such as agitation or confusion. They learn practical techniques for redirecting challenging behaviors and maintaining a calm, reassuring presence. Additionally, CareYaya caregivers are taught communication strategies that are specifically tailored for people experiencing cognitive decline, helping to foster trust, reduce frustration, and promote meaningful engagement. This thoughtful approach ensures that families can feel confident their loved ones are receiving compassionate, informed care that truly meets their unique needs. CareYaya specializes in providing non-medical support for seniors, focusing on services like companionship, light housekeeping, and medication reminders. Their caregivers are trained to offer meaningful engagement and help with daily routines, creating a safe and supportive environment at home. However, it's important to know that CareYaya caregivers do not perform medical tasks such as bathing, catheter care, injections, or wound care. Their role is centered around enhancing quality of life and offering practical assistance, rather than delivering hands-on medical care. This distinction helps families set clear expectations and choose the right level of support for their loved ones' needs. CareYaya stands out in Washington, D.C. for its unique approach to affordable and flexible in-home care. With rates starting around $15 per hour and no hidden fees, families can access high-quality support without the financial strain often associated with traditional agencies. The platform's flexible scheduling, including overnight and last-minute care, is made possible by its network of vetted healthcare students from top local universities. CareYaya's strong reputation is reinforced by frequent recommendations from hospital case managers and social workers who trust the platform to provide reliable, compassionate care during critical transitions. This combination of affordability, flexibility, and professional trust makes CareYaya a compelling choice for families navigating dementia care. Iona is a well-respected local provider in Washington, D.C., dedicated to supporting older adults and those who care for them. They offer a range of services, including adult day health programs that provide structured activities and social engagement in a safe environment. For caregivers, Iona hosts support groups and respite programs, giving families much-needed time to recharge while ensuring their loved ones are well cared for. Their holistic approach is designed to address both the practical and emotional needs of families, navigating the challenges of aging and dementia care. Iona is a well-respected organization in Washington, D.C., known for its comprehensive support services for older adults and their caregivers. Their offerings include adult day health programs, caregiver support groups, and educational resources, all designed to provide much-needed respite and guidance to families navigating dementia care. However, unlike platforms such as CareYaya, Iona does not specialize in providing flexible, in-home caregiving on short notice or for overnight needs. Their primary focus remains on supporting caregivers and offering structured programs rather than direct, ongoing in-home assistance. For families seeking hands-on, in-home care, it's important to consider these differences when evaluating your options. Right at Home, Washington, D.C. is a well-established provider offering a broad range of in-home care services tailored to older adults. Their companion care focuses on providing social interaction and support with daily activities, helping seniors maintain independence and comfort at home. For those needing more hands-on assistance, their personal care services include help with bathing, dressing, and mobility. Right at Home also offers specialty care for individuals living with dementia, Alzheimer's, and Parkinson's, with caregivers trained to manage the unique challenges of these conditions. Their approach is designed to give families peace of mind and reliable respite, though scheduling and service flexibility may differ from newer models like CareYaya. Right at Home is a well-established provider known for its team of trained caregivers who offer both companion care and specialized support for conditions like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. One of their notable strengths is the availability of respite services, giving family caregivers much-needed breaks and peace of mind. However, families should be aware that Right at Home typically comes with higher hourly rates compared to some newer options, and their scheduling tends to be less flexible, often requiring set shifts and minimum hour commitments. These factors can make it more challenging for those who need last-minute or overnight care. Still, for families seeking experienced professional support within a structured framework, Right at Home remains a reliable choice. TheKey, formerly known as Life Matters, is a well-established provider of elder care and home care services in Washington, D.C. They offer comprehensive support for seniors, including assistance with daily living activities and specialized care for conditions like Alzheimer's disease. What sets TheKey apart is their collaborative approach, working closely with families and healthcare professionals to tailor care plans to each individual's needs. Their partnerships with respected organizations, such as the Alzheimer's Association, further enhance the quality and depth of their dementia care offerings. This focus on teamwork and community resources helps ensure that seniors receive compassionate, informed support throughout their care journey. TheKey, formerly known as Life Matters, is recognized for its expertise in providing specialized care for conditions like Alzheimer's and other forms of dementia. Their collaborative approach means care plans are developed alongside families and often in partnership with organizations such as the Alzheimer's Association, ensuring a well-rounded support system. TheKey's caregivers are trained to assist with daily living activities and offer a high standard of personalized care. However, families should be aware that TheKey typically charges higher hourly rates compared to some alternatives, and often requires a minimum number of service hours per week. These factors can impact both the flexibility and affordability of care, making it important to weigh these considerations when exploring your options. When searching for dementia care in Washington, D.C., it's essential to match the provider's services with your loved one's unique needs. Take time to verify the qualifications and specialized training of each caregiver, especially in dementia care techniques and communication strategies. Confirm that the agency or provider adheres to all local regulations and standards, ensuring your loved one's safety and well-being. By carefully evaluating these factors, you can feel confident in selecting a care solution that truly supports both your loved one and your family. When choosing a dementia caregiver in Washington, D.C., it's important to find the right balance between affordability, flexibility, and quality of care. CareYaya stands out for its unique model, connecting families with thoroughly vetted healthcare students who offer compassionate, affordable support and flexible scheduling, even for overnight or last-minute needs. Other providers like Iona, Right at Home, and TheKey offer valuable services and specialized dementia care, but may have higher rates, stricter scheduling, or minimum hour requirements. Each option has its strengths and practical limitations. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your loved one's needs, your family's budget, and the type of support you value most. Every family's journey with dementia care is deeply personal, and what works best for one may not fit another. The options we've discussed each offer distinct advantages and considerations, from CareYaya's flexible, affordable student caregivers to the specialized services of traditional agencies. Take time to reflect on your loved one's needs, your family's preferences, and the practical realities of your situation. With the right information and a thoughtful approach, you can find a care solution that truly supports your loved one's well-being and brings your family peace of mind.